Remember, black jeans go with beige, gray, burgundy, beige jeans go with olive green, black, brown. Brown jeans go with powder blue, white, olive. Remember, this is wearing. This is styling. Wearing, styling, wearing, styling, wearing, styling, wearing, styling. If you own a white tee, here's how to style it. Add a satin skirt for a polished look. Layer with a slip dress for a chic look. Add denim culottes for a trendy look. Add a blazer for an office-ready look. Add white shorts for a beach-ready look. If you own a white linen pant, here's how to style it. Add a ribbed tank for everyday chic. Add a linen shirt for a relaxed look. Add a contrast cami for date nights. Add a tailored vest for a polished look. Add a basic hank and scarf for vacation vibes. Look, blue with white looks good, but blue with yellow feels fresh. Blue with red, bold and vibrant. Blue with camel, so chic. Blue with navy is so classy. Blue with pink, playful.